Hi. Yesterday we have seen GBP CHF on 4 hours time frame, and I have shown you how the magic levels works with low risk for high reward. So today we will see another FX pair on daily time frame. Okay. So as I told you yesterday, before taking a trade, one has to know these 4 points, right? Direction, in which direction the pair is moving, a destination or target, reversal, and risk reward ratio. So normally the risk reward ratio should be minimum 1:2. It should be minimum. Okay. So magic levels takes care of all these 4 points: direction, destination, reversal, and risk reward ratio. All those 4 points are taken care by magic levels. And apart from that, and it also helps for us not to take a wrong trade. I mean, if the trend is up, it will allow us you to buy only. Okay, so we will not take sell trade when the trend is up. Similarly, when the trend is down, we will not take a buy trade, because we will know the direction clearly. So, and there were few traders were asking scalping versus positional trading, which is best, and can we do scalping trading with magic levels? So scalping trading can be advantageous to the people who sit in front of the system. Okay, I will try to explain few advantages and disadvantages of scalping trading versus positional trading. Okay, so here see, scalping means people trade for 10 pips or 20 pips per trade. They trade with big lots. Okay, so the advantage is big profits with big lots are possible with scalping in a short span of time. In the same day, they do get the profit or loss, whatever it is, and they close the positions. So the funds will grow very fast. Say for example, if somebody is having 1000 USD in the account, and with a leverage of 1:500, they trade 0.5 or one standard lot for 10 to 20 pips. So that way the funds grow very fast, but they have to assure that stop losses are not triggered. So for that, they need to use different kinds of indicators or FIBO or whatever it is. There are many tools are there. So no tool gives you a clear or high accuracy while scalping. So one has to sit in front of the system continuously. So now the disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of scalping? We have to sit in front of the system while scalping, because we are trading for small pips. That means 10 to 20 pips move. So when suddenly something goes against, so we should be there to close the trade or reverse the trade. Right. Most of the times the traders, they don't play stop loss because it will hit it will hit and they need to close the trade in loss. So they do average sometimes. If the pair is going against us, what they do is after 50 pips fall or 40-50 pips fall, they do averaging. They keep on averaging, and they wait for certain amount of retracement so that they can close all the trades in net profit. So while doing this kind of process, one has to be in front of the system, sticking to the terminal. Okay, and in case when there is a sudden big move against the positions, the fund will be lost. Okay, and the trading is associated with a lot of tension and emotions. Scalping trading is not so easy. One cannot continue for months and years. Initially it looks good, and the profits are, if the profits are good, they will continue to do for 3 months, 6 months, or for 1 year. After that, health issues rises, and 1 or 2 failures or account blowouts will cause instability and low confidence. So these kind of things will start. So for long term and health issues, health point of view, scalping is not suggested. So when somebody wants to trade with good capital and safe mode and long-term gains, So magic levels will help you. And positional trading, not only magic levels, one can use swing trading or any other thing, other methods which supports for bigger profits. They can do that. So here I will try to explain you the magic levels advantages over scalping or the conventional indicator methods. So the main thing is, as I told you, these 4 points are covered: direction, destination, reversal, and risk reward ratio are covered. So good risk reward 1:3 to 1:10. That means stop loss will be 50 to 60 pips maximum, and the target will be 400-500 pips full target. Even if you are booking part, it will be around 200 pips for big pairs and 100 to 150 pips for small pairs. And another advantage is there is no tension at all when you're trading with magic levels. So big rewards will be there with small risk, and long-term gains are bigger. No risk to capital, because here you need not to trade with bigger lots because you are getting big profits with small lots itself. Okay, and I will show you this FXPAIR on a daily time frame. Yesterday we have seen on 4 hours format. So you can see very clearly here. This is the high. Exactly, it started coming back and reached the target. So the gap between these two lines is more than 400 pips. Okay, this is one big FXPAIR. Okay, so here if you take a buy with a risk of 50 pips or 60 pips or whatever small risk, so it has reached the target. It just count how many days it taken: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Nearly 15 trading days. That means 1 month approximately. It took 1 month to reach the target. So after reaching 50%, one can book half. See, exactly after reaching the target, it started retracing. Nearly it has come back to 50%, and even if you buy here on reversal, okay, and again it reached the target, and here also crossed on closing basis. Yesterday I told you daily candle will give you the direction of the FXPAIR. So what we have to do is we have to try to buy at bottom and sell at top. And the FXPAIR is at top, try to sell. When it is at bottom, try to buy. And there is a straight fall, buy it. And there is a straight move, sell it. Simple. Now there is a retracement, and again on candle close, it has closed well above the price. Now if you long here, and again within just a span of 1 week, it has reached more than 400 pips. Here it took 15 trading days. Here it took just 6 to 7 trading days. So it all depends upon the movement of the FXPAIR. So what we can do is we can take the position, place the stop loss and target, and wait for whether it is 5 days or 10 days or 20 days. So it all depends on the FXPAIR. So, and again retracement, and here there is a stop loss gone buy position. So here if you see, it has come back all the way and given a buying entry over here. If you take a long position here, 50% target has done. This is the full target, and here this is a 50% done. So 50% means more than 200 pips. Again it has come back. So here 1 or 2 trades we may lose, nothing to worry. Here also we may lose 1 or 2 trades, and again here this is a good chance to buy. Here also there is a short, right? So if you buy here again full length, so here 1 or 2 trades you may lose for 2 trades, and again there is a buy, good buy, buy it. So from this point to this point, it is nearly 200 plus pips. 200 plus pips. Okay, after that it has come down and breached the level, and again this candle has given a clear sign of uptrend. So if you buy on the next day candle, it has straight away went and reached the target. See how many trades we lost and how many trades we got. If you calculate, net result will be highly profitable. And similarly, see here, after reaching first hit, it has retraced and again went up. Buy it, full target done, and there is a retracement, and here buy very close to the target and has fallen. It's a clear indication. Sell, nearly more than 200 pips fall. Buy, stop loss gone. Buy, stop loss gone. Sell, almost target done. Okay, so how to avoid that? Say for example, if the FXPAIR is trading somewhere around here, we need not do anything, because our action begins only at this level or this level. and something is trading in between, we need not do anything at all, because this may go up and come back. See, this is a clear cut example. From this point it has given very clear sell, and it has reached almost the target, and from here it started bouncing back. Okay, and if you see, this entire trend is range bound trend, and there are no entries at all. It is moving up, down, moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just avoid the trade. Now say here, it's because of the news it started moving up heavily. It has not given any chance of entry here on daily basis. So all the way it has come back and given a buy entry here, and it reached more than 300 to 350 pips, right? And after that it has broken down and could not get any short. Here also could not give any chance. So here it has given a sell, here buy and sell. So sell has given complete target after failing two trades. So here see, this is continuously at bottom and showing weakness, and there is a sell trade more than 150 pips movement was there, and again it started reversing. It went up, and on closing basis it's clearly given a indication of buy here. If you buy here or here, and target is done. So likewise we can get a very good number of trades. See, there was a news. Okay, there is a news here. The candle close is well below the level. This continuously went up. So there, even if you take a small risk and takes a sell position in just one candle itself, see how big it is. And this fall continued till the end. So this has broken, and retracement was there, and short, and another big profit. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, this has given a very huge profit. But even if you cannot catch entire full length, this is a good short, wherein in 50% booking can be done, and wait for the second completely can be done. So likewise, the trading will be easy. See here also, on crossing the line from the bottom, it has not given any chance and went up. It could not go to the the next zone, and has come back. Here it has given a buy, and it went up nearly 200 pips and broken short target. And here also I think there is some news. That's a big done. So likewise we can take trades with low risk, high reward, right? So those who are interested to learn this method are welcome to contact me in Telegram or email. I'm giving you the details in the description. Okay, thanks for watching, and good day.